Yeah, morning everybody. Yeah, I'm wearing pink as you can see because this program is all about strawberries. As promised, we're doing a series of a couple of videos of farming of self-sustainable and food shortages. So what we're trying to do here is teach people how to combat food shortages, be self-sustainable in little spaces. Not farming on a big scale, but farming on a small scale to be self-sustainable and combat food shortages. So now basically, the ladies are doing the strawberries today. What I want to just touch on quickly is if you take note of all where we planted strawberries, that is 2 square meters. So in a 2 square meter space, this is strawberries that you can plant, and we will keep you posted as the weeks go by on how the progress has gone on it, so you can see what can happen out of 2 square meters worth of planting space on the strawberries. You'll notice that there's also spikes in between the strawberries. That's for the birds, so that the birds don't really come down and eat your strawberries, because you want them for yourself obviously. And from that space, from that 2 square meters worth of space, I promise you, you will see how much strawberries is produced. And not only is there enough strawberries going to be produced for the whole season for you and your family, but you're going to have enough strawberries out of that to give friends and neighbors. You're going to have enough strawberries out of that to do some strawberry preserve, to do some strawberry jams, and to stock up your pantry as well. Thereby, bring down your food by a little bit, helping you combat food shortages, and nothing better than eating your own produce. It's always, especially if you've done it organic, you know what's gone into it, you know there's nothing harmful in it, and you eating your own stuff, there's nothing better than that. And you're combating food shortages. So yeah, please like, subscribe, enjoy the rest of the program. I'm sure that there's something very special prepared for you, for our viewers, and yeah, thank you for watching.
Good morning, welcome to another episode of Farming the Solomon Way. Today we're talking strawberries. We've all gone to a shop, bought a punnet of strawberries, and ended up with the bad ones. But are they really bad ones? I'm going to show you how to take this little strawberry and turn it into these little tiny seeds ready for planting. So, going to take the top off. And you might want to get the kids involved in this one, it's quite messy. Give it a squish. As you squish it and wash it, you will notice you're getting the little seeds. But remember, you want the dark ones. They are perfect for planting. So here I've got some nice dry seeds. I've left them out to dry a bit. I got a yogurt tub. You can even use eggshells. Once you've made an omelette for your family on a Sunday morning, don't get rid of those eggshells. Fill them up with a little soil and plant seeds. They're biodegradable and they're good for the soil. We're going to take our little seeds. As you see, I don't just put one in my tub. I'm going to take all these little seeds, pop them in there. If it is, grab a tweezer. It'll make your life a lot easier. Let's get them all in there. There we go. As you can see, there's my little seeds. all in there nicely. And as you can see, my soil is a little bit wet. It's not dry. I've got a serviette here that I soaked in a little bit of water. I'm going to cover my seeds up. Strawberry seeds take between 3 weeks to germinate. So we're going to leave them for the 3 weeks. You're going to give them water every so often. Do not give them too much water to drown the seed. So within 3 weeks, we should have germination. They should be ready for planting in 8 weeks. We'll see you shortly. Keep planting. We're doing beautiful little strawberry seedlings. As you can see, Nathan is putting us some compost into our little pots. Let's get planting. Okay, so this is our little strawberry. We're going to make a hole nice and deep. As you can see, I already wet the soil a little bit. So it already goes into a moist soil. I'm going to stick the baby in the soil. Compress it nicely, tightly. Make sure it's nice and covered. Let's make another hole for the next baby. So in this size patch, I'd say we're going to put about 5 to 10 little plants, but remember your strawberries are creepers, so you might want to either trim the crawlers off or you're going to have to move them. As you can see, I have some chilies in my patch already, so there is no problem with putting your strawberries with chili plants. Okay, as you can see, we're done planting our strawberries. Now we're going to give them a light shower. As you can see, I am using the hose pipe for it. But as you can see, it's in a very light sprinkle. Because I do not want to put a lot of pressure on them. And it is quite hot and windy today. So I prefer to put a lot of water so they have a solid moisture content, and we'll check on their progress as they grow. So enjoy planting. Please like and subscribe and ring that bell. Keep planting.
Hi everyone. Yes, don't we all just love strawberries? I know I do. Whether it's in a drink, whether it's in a smoothie, whether it's in our food, a dessert, or even just a snack just like that. We all love it. Well, at least I know I do. Well, we hope you all planted your strawberries and that they're going to grow. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Keep sharing and watching our videos. We appreciate each and every one of you. Thank you and have a super day. Stay tuned for our next episode.